Hi guys, welcome back to our introduction to practical Python coding in eHealth tutorial for beginners, where we learn about Python coding for digital health or health informatics use. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run Jupyter Notebook on your machine. So Jupyter Notebook is the software that we're going to be using in order to run Python code on your browser. So let's get started. So recall in a previous tutorial, we ran Jupyter Lab using this command, Jupyter Lab command. What we actually wanted was the classic Jupyter Notebook. So Jupyter Lab, I looked at it, it's a little bit more advanced with more features. What we wanted was the simplicity of just the classic Jupyter Notebook. And so if we look at this documentation on Jupyter website, it says if you installed with pip, which we did, we'll run Jupyter Notebook using this command. That's exactly what we're going to do here. So what you should do is create an empty folder, a new folder for your materials, where you're going to save all the Python files in. So I've created one here. And in order to launch Jupyter Notebook, what you want is for it to know that this is the folder that you're going to work in. How you do that is you first open up the folder in your File Explorer, and on the address bar, you click into it and type in CMD like that and press enter. So what that will do is open up the command prompt. So you see here, with this path already inside so that it knows that this is the folder that you want to work in. So I have it here. So what I will do now is follow the instructions on this website. So run Jupyter Notebook, space in between. So this command. So I'll come here and just put in Jupyter Notebook like that and press enter. Okay, it should be running and it should open up a new browser tab for you. So you see here it says this notebook list is empty. Um, okay, so this is referring to that this directory that you're working in is empty. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and create a new Python notebook by coming over here on the top right. There's a new drop down and hit Python 3. So we want a Python 3 notebook. All right, so this is a Jupyter notebook. So you can think of these notebooks as an entire Python program that you want to run together. So the way it's done is that Jupyter notebooks divide Python code into blocks or cells, if you will. So in this little piece of box, this is one cell or one block of Python code. And in a notebook, it'll contain many of these cells together that runs in sequence. And they call this a Jupyter notebook. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.